Curating in another country is amazing, it's exciting, and it's great. For me, I decided to pay attention to the camaraderie between Ibrahim and then Michael, and decided to teach something out of that. When I realized that two artists run spaces are coming together to do something, my focus was just to look at how to present the work in such a way that it's not heavily dependent on one institution and has a bit of both feeling. So the idea was to look for artists or practitioners that are working in different media and have different approach to art making. And even if the media is similar, the subject matter might be different, or the approach to making the work should be different. I don't want to have a situation whereby it's just a mirror version of what Ghana artists are doing, and then what you see of that in the Kenyan version. Theme of the exhibition sort of also was felt in the process, kind of. Yeah, it's not about competing with another institution. It's happening as a kind of sharing and also learning from each other.